Hi friends, it's Julia. Today is day number 13 of the Best of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Today's sketch is from Series 5, Day 14, and it's a page map sketch. And so this sketch is one that I'll show you here in just a second. It shows that it has 3 photos on it, and so that's what I pulled out. I pulled out 3 photos. Then I pulled out a conglomeration of papers to go with. Because the last page that I created for day 12 and this one will be companion pages, I went ahead and I pulled a white background along with the dark cardstock, the same as I did with the last one. And then for my pattern papers, I pulled these, but I have some of the other patterns that I used in the previous layout as well. I have small bits and pieces, but you guys, there's so many patterns in this one that I'll be able to pull pieces from that, some of the scraps that I have left from here to use with this one as well, so that they all coordinate. So anyway, I pulled in my box of embellishments because, you know, I have stuff here. There's a circle element under the title, and I have some cutout circles here. I have different sizes of circles in here that I might be able to use. Plus I have some other things like that, something that I stamped and fussy cut out. I might be able to use that for my title. I've got pieces in here. I've got some little frames. I've got wood veneers, I've got tags and cut aparts and flowers and all of these embellishment pieces, ephemera pieces down here. I have something in here to use. It's just a matter of going through and deciding. Plus I have all the other embellishments beside my work table that has, I have foam embellishments, I have lots of textured embellishments. I have brads, I have bling, I have stickers galore back here in the back. All of that is stickers, and then my letters and such are down here. So I have tons of stuff to pull in. It's just a matter of figuring out what I'm going to use once I get my papers down. This layout is not heavy on embellishments, but you guys know me. I'm heavy on embellishments. I'm probably going to figure out tons more embellishments to use than what they have on their layout. Anywho, so let me show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I'll be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done. I'll show you what I didn't use. I did not use this piece of paper. I had cut down a sliver of it to use, and I didn't end up using it. That's okay, because I'll use it in another. It's not a big deal. The other pattern papers that I pulled, I did use, and then there's all the cutoffs and the border strips there. All of it will go into my scrap bin, if you will, to pull from here to use on other layouts. These are all of the scraps that I have left and that I have been using along the way. And I will continue to use them because there's tons of little bits and pieces in here that I might be able to use on a layout. And I love being able to do that. I did pull in these bitty black bling elements and I did use those. Say that fast 5 times, why don't ya? I did use this Jen Hadfield sticker sheet. I didn't use much from here. I used a circle embellishment, and I'll tell y'all, this carrier sheet had a large embellishment on it. And I took that little phrase and I put it over the center of that, and then I was going to try and peel off the backing adhesive. Here is what is left, and so I was trying to peel off that foam because it was making it, because there's foam back behind here as well, and it was making it too bulky, and so I wanted to remove this. And I was trying ever so gently to peel that apart. Oh look, now it comes. Doesn't, anywho, it trashed it out. It bent that. It pulled the brad through there. I might see if I can salvage that and the brads to go on a different layout. But yeah, I ended up pulling that off and creating a different embellishment. I did use a sticker from here. I don't remember which one. I think it was these little word phrases down here and then a label. I did use some of the puffy embellishments here, and I did use these alpha tiles. I did use some of the a green floral, not floral, leaf shape from there, and a couple of floral pieces from here. Not floral, the little leafy embellishments, and here is the layout that I created. So you can see it has the same feels of the original sketch, but it's not exactly the same. I moved my orientation from this side of the page to this side of the page because my son is looking this direction, except for this one, then he's kind of face forward. And so my title is Smile Brother, and if you look at him, he's got a semi-grin here. He's got a what the heck is this look here, and then he's got a goofy little grin on his face here. Come together to say Smile Brother. And then I just took some word phrases from my embellishment pack and put them down the side. I also used my washi tape, the two different kinds that I used on my last layout. The chipboard pieces are here. That little tag is there. I took one of the tickets that I had previously punched out with some scrap paper and cut it down the middle, stretched it out, and then used that sticker with some foam adhesive behind it. Used some of these large wood veneers, and I think you can see when I put these side by side, they are not matching per se. They don't go together per se, but they have the same feel, and when you look at them in the album, you're gonna see that this is the same event, and it carries over some of the papers, and it has some of the same feels because of the different embellishments and such that I put in here. So I love this. I love how this came together. Yeah, and that's another one to go into the album. If you're interested, stay tuned. I have some photos coming up at the end of the video of the close-ups of this layout. If you would like to see more, I do have a playlist called hashtag best of 30DS CBL. And on that playlist, you'll see all the layouts that I have done so far with this collection. It's the same one that I've been using the entire time, and it's from my collective series. It is a Jen Hadfield and Pink Paisley collection. So anyway, I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.